Set fire to the rain, I let it fall my heart, and as it fell you rose to claim it. It was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there is a side to you that I never knew, never knew. All the things you said, they were never true, never true. Any games you play, you would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I fought, touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. When I lay with you, I could stay there, close my eyes, where feel you're here forever. You and me together, nothing is better. 'Cause there is a side to you that I never knew, never knew. All the things you say, they were never true, never true. Any games you played, you would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. When it fell, something died, 'cause I knew that I was the last time, the last time. Sometimes I wake up by the door, that heart, your couch mat, be waiting for you even now when we are already over. I can't help myself from looking for you. I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. When it fell, something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time, the last time. Let it burn.